Hello everyone, in this video I'll be telling you guys how we can scrap multiple thousand rows of data from Google Maps using Octoparse. We can also get the phone number and website out of Google Maps, which are very useful and gold mine for agencies and startups and big tech companies. Now, before we start this tutorial, I wanted to let you know guys that I've been doing web scraping for the past 3 and 4 years, so I have ample amount of experience. So if you need any full scale web scraping needs or want to hire me, so I'm up for it. My email is shown on the screen, so you can contact me directly and so we can get started. So let's get started with the tutorial. Now you can see that I will show you on the Google Chrome. I have showing this developers in Gold Coast, for example, but you can search any keyword, any location. I will show you in just a bit how to do that. Now, after that, we will be copying this URL, opening up Octopath, click on new, click on custom task, paste in that URL, and then click on done. I've already done that, so it will lead you to this web page. Okay. Now, what we need to do is the first step is click on here, okay, and then click on enter text. Now we want to add multiple loops, right? We don't want to just enter one, that would be good for us. So what we need to do is click on enter text and loop. Now we can add barbers in London, but you can, as I said before, you can add any keyword, any location that you want. Now what you need to do is click on hit the enter enter key when finishing enter, and then time out to 15 seconds and then click on confirm. Now you can see it will automatically search barbers in London. Now we need to set up a loop item, right? Before we set up a loop item, if you want to add multiple keywords and location, you can click on loop item, click on this little pencil icon, and then in new line you can add as much as you want, and then Octopus will automatically loop through it. Now after that, we click here on the plus icon, click on add step, and then click on loop. Now you can click on loop item 1 and then click on list of URLs to variable list, because we have an XPath that we need to paste in. Now from here you can see I made these XPaths that I will pin in the comment of this YouTube video, that you can copy directly from there. So the loop item XPath, we will copy this and then open up Octopath and then paste here, and then click on apply and then click on save, and then we'll just click on got it and then click on options, wait before action to 2 seconds, click on apply and then click on save. Again, got it. After that, if I click here again, you can see it has detected all the listings on this first page, so it will skip the sponsored listings because we don't need the sponsored listings. Click on here and then I will click on text. Make sure it's inside, selected inside this loop item 1, and click on text. Now if I name this as title, you will see you will get all the titles from here. Now we need the star ratings. We'll click on here and we'll name this as star ratings. After that, we need to add a click, so we'll add a click here again, and then we click on here, click element. After you're done with the click element, you can see this will pop up. Now we need to get the full address, right? So which is important. We'll copy this XPath again, open up our Octopath, scroll down, click here at another add step, and then click and extract data options to 2 seconds time, and then click on add custom field and then click on capture data on the page. Now we can add here to absolute XPath to full address. Okay, full address. Now we click on save, and then we can get the XPath for the phone number. You copy this XPath, click again, click on capture data on the page, and then turn this to absolute XPath and paste in our XPath and name this field as phone number. Click on confirm. Again, open up our XPaths and then copy the last XPath, which is the website. For the website one, what you need to do is click on capture data on the page and let it remain here at to relative XPath to loop item, because website is also showing here. So we'll click on here, name this field as website. Now you can see we're only getting the text, but we need the website link obviously. What we need to do is right click here, click on customize field, and then we need to get the select URL. We need the href attribute of it. Now once I do that, you can see boom, we'll get all the websites. Now if you want to paginate to get more listings, what you can do is just click here on hide, and then go here and then also hide this one, click on next, and then click loop, click next page. Now if I open this up, it will just paginate. To click on save and then check one more time for you, I have web perfection. Yes, I have. So this is it guys. Now the best part will come. I will run this. So as you can see guys, we've got the full listings. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you want more videos on web scraping, let me know in the comments below. Thank you for